In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files in Adobe Express. If you want to keep your workspace organized and remove projects or uploaded items you no longer need, Adobe Express makes that process very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete a file quickly and confidently. To begin, open Adobe Express and look to the left-hand toolbar. From there, go to your Stuff or Files depending on the version of the interface you're seeing. This is the main area where Adobe Express stores your projects and other saved content, so it's the right place to manage what you want to keep and what you want to remove. Once you're in that section, you'll see your files. These are your Adobe Express projects, and you may also notice a separate folder for your uploads. That Uploads folder contains the files you've brought into Adobe Express, so it's helpful to know the difference before deleting anything. Take a moment to make sure you're looking in the correct location for the item you want to remove. Next, locate the file you want to delete. It's a good idea to double-check the file name or thumbnail so you don't accidentally remove the wrong project. Since deletion is a permanent action in many cases, pausing here for a quick review can save you time later. When you found the correct file, hover your cursor over it. As you do that, you should see the More menu button appear in the top right corner of the file. Click that button to open the available options for that specific item. From the menu that appears, select Delete. This tells Adobe Express that you want to remove that file from your account or workspace. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is Adobe Express giving you one last chance to review your action before the file is deleted. If you're sure you want to continue, click Delete in the pop-up to confirm. And that's it. The file will be deleted. As a final tip, always make sure you're deleting the correct item, especially if you have multiple projects with similar names or versions. Staying organized in your stuff or files can make future edits and file management much easier. That's how to delete files in Adobe Express.